Hey family, great to have you with us. What's next in this video? Let's solve this subtraction problem. 56 minus 49. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 6 minus 9. But I can't do it because 6 is smaller than 9. So we must borrow. You go to the 5 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it. So the 6 becomes 16 and 5 becomes 4. Now we have 16 minus 9, which equals 7. Write 7 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Write 0 in the tens place. So 56 minus 49 equals 7. And this is our final answer to this problem. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this session.